I just love the beauty of it and the durability of it.
Yeah, it was definitely love at first sight.
It looks, I think, as good today as it did the day they put it in.
Ever since primitive times, thousands of years ago, when man first came out of his cave and started building things, the use of natural stone has been a constant. Cultures from ancient to contemporary have used natural stone to build structures to worship their gods, celebrate their beliefs, honor their dead, entertain their people, and house their institutions of government. Today, thanks to new technology, the use of natural stone has expanded broadly beyond its traditional use for exteriors and interiors of major buildings of all kinds, and now is becoming a staple in homes of every size. Consumers have discovered the beauty and luxury of this unique, all-natural material for their countertops, floors, and other applications. They like it because it's the real thing, which cannot be duplicated in the factory or the laboratory. It's nature's own. It comes in literally thousands of different colors, and no two pieces are exactly the same. Nothing approaches the uniqueness, durability, and serviceability of marble and granite countertops in kitchens, bathrooms, and other locations in the home.
It's so pretty, and it lasts forever, and real easy to take care of.
I was a little bit picky about what I wanted, so I looked at huge slabs of granite all over the area till I found the one that I liked.
It's kind of like fine jewelry. It sparkles, and it just looks nice all the time.
There has always been a special allure for natural stone, but what makes it particularly appealing now is a drastic reduction in prices over the past decade or so. The result of quantum advances in quarrying and fabricating technology every step of the way. The journey from the quarry to your kitchen can begin right here in America, or in quarries of such far-flung lands as Italy, South America, China, India, Spain, Africa, and elsewhere. Around the world, there is an enormous inventory of natural stone, and more is constantly being discovered. The combination of supply and technological advancements have combined to make natural stone very competitive with man-made materials. From these quarries, giant blocks of granite, marble, limestone, and other natural stone materials are carved out of the earth with diamond-studded cutting systems, which have drastically reduced the effort it takes to achieve this once time-consuming task. The giant blocks then move to new high-speed gang saws, which are so sophisticated and powerful that they've reduced the time it takes to slice the giant 2-ton blocks into slabs by more than half. The slabs are then polished on high-speed polishing lines, which feature multiple heads to speed the process. Some of the finished slabs are immediately cut into floor tile, while the rest are shipped to wholesalers and fabricators like those in your city or town. Many fabricators and even architects travel the world to hand-select the raw material in blocks or as slabs, the same ones you may someday inspect as you pick the perfect natural stone material for your home. Because every block or slab is unique, it can be a daunting task. Once you've selected the material that's perfect for your home, your local fabricator will do the rest, of course with your input. While some fabricators still rely on standard measuring techniques, the most effective method for achieving a perfect fit is to prepare templates of the areas to be covered by marble, granite, or other materials. The template is fabricated from thin wooden strips that are ultimately glued together to produce a perfect replica of the area to be covered. Since walls are not necessarily 100% perfect, the template process takes into account that factor. In the shop, the templates are placed on the selected slab or piece of natural stone and adjusted to maximize the beauty of the stone. With decorative stones, your fabricator may ask you to participate. Once that alignment is complete, the stone is cut by a precision water-cooled saw. Automated, computer-guided cutting systems assure that cutouts for stove tops, sinks, faucets, and other kitchen appliances are correct. The pieces of natural stone are then edged, either with automated equipment or by hand. There are several common edges, including flat polish, half bullnose, full bullnose, bevel, DuPont, OG, and others. Decorative edges are put only on the visible edge, not a joint edge. Most edging is done with powerful diamond routers using specific bits to profile the desired edges. The final step is polishing the edge. When all of the pieces are cut, edged, and polished to specification, the natural stone makes its final trip to your home. There, skilled craftsmen install the countertops and other components, making sure that all other elements of your kitchen or bathroom are fitted perfectly. In the field, installers glue pieces of natural stone together using polyester resin in the joints. When they're finished, the resin has a polished look, similar to the polish of natural stone. While natural stone is inherently stain and water resistant, a special sealant is usually applied at the shop or during installation to provide an added layer of protection, just in case there's an accidental spill that could cause staining. Your contractor may also suggest periodic sealing as an added precaution. From the quarry, to slabbing and polishing, to measuring and templating, to cutting, edging, and polishing, and finally to installation, people in the natural stone industry are striving for two things: enhancing the beauty of natural stone to perfection and your ultimate satisfaction.
The look is beautiful and it's just so durable.
And I just think it's low maintenance, and to me that's a big factor.
You don't see any scrapes, no scratches. It looks great.
I love it.
Neal.